Good evening, students. Welcome to your education online class. In the last day, I have explained you more or less all details about mean, median. First of all, we have discussed about tabulation of data and how to do that, and mean and median. Mean we have discussed both ungrouped and grouped, and in the last video, I have shown you how to calculate median if the ungrouped raw scores are provided. And what you have learned, that you have to see whether it is odd number or it is even number. Now today we are going to learn about the median if grouped data are provided to you. Like mean is having two different way, median is also having a different formula. So today in the first part of median, I will explain you what is the formula and what is the actual how to calculate it and what are the points you must remember. So median is L1 plus n by 2 minus FB by Fn. So what is L1? L1 is the lower limit of the class interval where highest frequency lies. So you have to see the class interval and frequency, and you have to see which is the highest frequency. Suppose 9 to 14, 15 to 19, like 20. So now like this, 22, 24, like this. So you are seeing frequencies are 5, 6, 2. So when you are seeing this, in between these three, 6 is the highest frequency. So this is the class interval. So what will be the lower limit of this class interval? 14.5. So the lower limit of the class interval where highest frequency lies, you have to see the highest frequency where it is. Even if it is 9 and it is 6, then you have to consider this one as the class interval of highest frequency, because this is 9. So what will be the lower limit of this class interval? 8.5. So this is LL or L1. Next, n by 2 you know. N by 2 means you know. N means total number divided by 2. FV means the sum total of all the frequencies. Sum total of all the frequencies lying below the highest frequency. So what is that? Suppose 10 to 14. Now where shall I explain? I don't know. 15 to 19. 20 to 24. Now suppose in 10 to 14, the highest frequency is lying 9. So in case of FB, you have to see that what are the frequencies which are lying below the highest frequency. Suppose 2 and 1. So you have to add 2 and 1 means 3. 3 will be FB. And finally FM is the highest frequency. So this you have to understand first before we start median. First you have to understand this, that L1 is the lower limit of the class interval where highest frequency lies. Means you have to see all the frequencies. Suppose 10 groups are provided, you have to see which is the highest frequency in that, and then the lower limit of that class interval. Suppose in the class interval 25 to 29, so highest frequency is belonging. So 25 to 29 means 24.5 will be the lower limit of the class interval. N by 2, total number divided by 2. FB is the sum total. Now you are seeing 25 to 29, highest frequency 16. Now below 16, how many frequencies are there? You have to add them. Suppose 2, 10, 9. It will not be, the number will not increase 16 because 16 is the highest frequency. So you have to add all the numbers like 2, 5, 10. It can be up to 16. Okay, like it can be 15, 11, 10, 9, 8, any digits that you have to add to get FB, and FM is the highest frequency, means 16. In the next video, in the immediate next video, you are going to see, I will show you one example of the calculation, then it will be very easier for you. Thank you.